Yo Mouse, oh my goodness, you are such a loser. Back in my day when all the prankster gangsters were roaming around the streets, there was no such thing as color. Everyone walked around the streets not knowing what color shoes their best friends were wearing. We did so many interesting things back then. For example, I once ate a green apple, but it wasn't green, so I didn't actually eat a green apple. I think it's safe to say that Minecraft would be a much better place if everything was black and white. And today seems to be our lucky day because if we turn around, we can see an unusually placed button that says, change Minecraft to black and white forever. Do you want to do the honors of clicking this sacred button for me? Sorry, exploding TNT, we're just pranked by the prankster gangster because I'm the one who is going to click this button right now. Lol, oh my goodness, I didn't think it was possible, but you did it. You look even more like a mouse when you're in black and white. Lol, this new Minecraft will be so much more fun. I can finally laugh at people who worked on coloring their skins.